Trying to watch a video on YouTube but full screen isn't working? That can ruin the whole experience. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube full screen not working step by step so you can enjoy your videos without any interruptions. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, make sure your phone's rotation is not locked. To check this, on your iPhone, swipe down from the top of your phone and see this rotation lock icon here. Make sure it is not toggled on. Similarly, on your Android phone, swipe down from the top of your screen and make sure this rotation lock icon is not toggled on. Next, go to your YouTube app and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on the gear icon on the top right to access your settings. Under Account, tap on General. Turn this option on for Rotate Screen. This will enable landscape layout when you rotate your device. If this is still not working, make sure you have the latest version of YouTube installed on your phone. To check this, simply go to the App Store on your iPhone or the Play Store on your Android phone and search for the YouTube app. If you see the icon update here, go ahead to update your YouTube app. If it says open, it means you already have the latest version installed. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.